Welcome to Storytime with Sonia Panda.
Peppa Pig, Pedro's calf. Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madame Gazelle to start their music lesson. Miss Polly had it jolly, sings Madame Gazelle. What is that strange noise? Poor Pedro Pony has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madame Gazelle. I will ring Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Dr. Brown Bear picks up his medical kit, jumps in his doctor's car and drives straight to the playgroup. I have got a cough, says Pedro. When Dr. Brown Bear arrives, it's nothing serious, says Dr. Brown Bear. But it may be catching, so we will give you some medicine. Ah! Cries Pedro. It tastes like an old shoe full of sham. Susie Sheep and Danny Dog start to cough too. As I thought, says Dr. Brown Bear, Pedro cough is catching. He gives them both some cough medicine. Ah! It tastes of carpet flavored yogurt, says Susie. Yuck! It tastes of flowers, says Danny. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? Asks Peppa. I am never ill because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brown Bear. Soon it is home time and the parents arrive to pick up the children. I have got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brown Bear came to look after us, says Danny. All the adults start coughing too. Peppa picks up the phone. Dr. Brown Bear, now all the grown-ups are ill, she says. Now it is the grown-ups' turn to take the cough medicine. Ah, it tastes like custard and old socks, cried Madame Gazelle. All the grown-ups must take the medicine to help them feel better. No one likes the medicine. Who looks after you when you are ill? Asks Peppa. No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brown Bear. I'm never. Dr. Brown Bear has got Pedro's cough too. Who will look after you, Dr. Brown Bear? Gasps Peppa. Poor Dr. Brown Bear is taken to hospital. He has some visitors. Danny has brought some fruit. Susie has brought the medicine. Open wide, says Susie. Ah! Cries Dr. Brown Bear. It tastes like jammy yogurt flavored carpet shoe with flowery custard old socks. Soon, Dr. Brown Bear is feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after, even Dr. Brown Bear. The end.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Storytime with Sonia Panda to listen to more stories with me. Take care, friends.